11. Strong wind simulation and analysis. Click the Simulation Condition menu. Click the Simulation button. Add the PowerLine vector file. Select the PowerLine type. Select the insulator file and specify the simulated vector line file and the simulated working condition file. Switch the Simulation Parameters tab. Set the wind speed value of the simulation condition parameters and click the Start button to run. Right-click, add the simulated PowerLine vector file. You can see the left and right swing range of the wire in the strong wind situation. Click the Danger Points button, add the wind simulation file, and click the Start button to calculate the simulated clearance danger point. Click the Image button and select the Clearance Danger option to generate the image. Click Report button to add the wind simulation file. Select Based on Simulated Data. Select Clearance Danger for detection type and enter the line name and click Start button to generate the report.